Hello everyone, let us solve for x and y in this beautiful algebra problem. 99x plus 101y is equal to 499. Then 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Solution. 99x plus 101y is equal to 499. Let us call this equation 1. Then 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. Let us call this equation 2. Now, as you can see, this is a simultaneous equation. And if you want to solve this problem using either elimination or substitution method directly, it's going to take much of your time because you are going to get a large value. But let us use this trick. Let us add equation 1 and 2 together. Add equation 1 and 2. That is 99s plus 101x plus this is 101y plus 99y is equal to 499 plus 501. Now this is 99s plus 101y. This is 200x plus 101y plus 99y. This is 200y is equal to 499 plus 501. That is 1000. Then as you can see, let us divide the whole of this equation by 200. So this is 200s divided by 200 plus 200y divided by 200 is equal to 1000 divided by 200. This cancel this. 200 here 1, 200 here 1, 200 here 1, 200 here 5. Thus the equation become s plus y is equal to 5. Let us call this equation 3. Now let us subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Subtract equation 1 from equation 2. That is, equation 1, we have 101x minus 99x plus 99y minus 101y is equal to 500 minus 499. 101x minus 99x, this is 2x. Then 99y minus 101y, this is minus 2y is equal to 500 minus 499. That is 2. Let us divide the whole of this equation by 2. We have x minus y is equal to 1. Let us call this equation 4. Now we can now solve the equation 3 and equation 4 simultaneously. And I rewrite the equation here. Equation 3 is s plus y is equal to 5. Equation 4 is s minus y equal to 1. You can see that with this now, you can easily solve it. Let us solve this using elimination method by adding the two equations together. Then if you add the two equations together, this will cancel this. We have 2x is equal to 6. Now let's divide the whole of this equation by 2 again. Then s is equal to 3. This is the value of s. We've gotten the values of s. Let us solve for y. To solve for y, now let's say from either this equation 3 or this equation 4. Let me make use of this equation 4. From equation 4, x minus y equal to 1. If s is equal to 3, we have 3 minus y is equal to 1. Then minus y is equal to 1 minus 3 minus y is equal to minus 2. Y is equal to 2. This is the value of y. Therefore, our final answer are s is equal to 3, y is equal to 2. This is the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 99s plus 101y is equal to 499. Also, 101s plus 99y is equal to 501. Now, but I'm going to make use of this. So, if s is equal to 3 and y equal to 2, this become 99 bracket 3 plus 101 bracket 2 must be equal to 499. Then 99 multiplied by 3, this is 297 plus 101 multiplied by 2, that is 202, must be equal to 499. Let's consider this. We have 297 plus 202. 2 plus 7, this is 9. Then 0 plus 9, this is 9. 2 plus 2, that is 4. Therefore, the left-hand side, 499, is equal to the right-hand side, 499. You may also check using this second equation. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. This is how to solve this tricky simultaneous equation by elimination method. Bye.